know, I I had a dream of my twin sister again,
Mm.
where I was walking towards, it was a very big, it was almost like a white building
Mm.
with the most beautiful garden.
Mm.
And I was walking so slow.
Mm.
And she came walking down the stairs and opened the gate for me there. And I'm realizing, but I have this cane in my hand because I see the cane in my dream. I can see the cane going forward and I'm walking. And when I walked into the gate that my sister opened up for me, she gave me a hug and I turned back to 23.
Oh,
But
wow.
then I realized maybe after all my heartache,
Mm.
my sister came to me and told me, Johanna, you are going to grow. I'm only going to come and open that gate for you when you are walking with a cane. So you know
Oh,
what?